The Helpline Center's mission is making lives better by giving support, offering hope, and creating connections all day, every day. We're a statewide organization that has been around since 1974, working in various capacities with our mission at the core of what we do. And so in response to the opioid epidemic, we have partnered with the state of South Dakota in two core service areas. One, we answer the statewide opioid resource hotline, which is 1-800-920-4343, 24/7, 365 days a year. Our goal with this line is to provide a place that people can reach out to at any time, whether they're concerned about themselves or a loved one, or any other questions, whether that's where to take medications when they no longer need them for medication disposal, or if they're concerned about different ways that someone may be misusing their opioid prescriptions. Our staff are crisis specialists trained, and so they're able to really help that individual in the moment to get them to the long-term recovery and safety that they need to make a successful transition. A benefit of the Helpline Center partnering to answer the statewide opioid resource hotline is our specialists are crisis trained. As we know, some of those individuals that are struggling with an opioid misuse may be going through some other crises in their life, and our specialists are able to assess them, create a safety plan with them to make sure they're safe and to get them to the appropriate help that they need. And so through answering the opioid resource hotline, we have those resources at our fingertips where it may be they need a mental health provider, but they also may need access to food, and we have that information by answering the line in collaboration with the other work that we do at the Helpline Center. The other piece of it is to create a centralized database of resources. There's many resources available through mental health, substance use therapists, and other providers that help people through this transition, whether that be in person or telecounseling or telemedicine. Our database has those resources to be able to connect those individuals. You can search the resource database at avoidopioidsd.com by choosing your county or selecting your zip code and then selecting the category that works best. A lot of times we recommend to start with that assessment. So if you click on the assessment tab, then that will pop up where you can get an assessment in that area if you are struggling with an opioid misuse or concerned about a loved one. And so to remember is the phone number 1-800-920-4343 and also that statewide website, avoidopioidsd.com. Another option to reach the South Dakota Opioid Resource Hotline is through texting. To text opioid to 898-211, you will receive supportive messages along with an option for a two-way text conversation with our trained crisis specialist. So 3 ways to reach us. If you have questions or concerns, please definitely reach out to us and we will be able to connect you to those resources in your community or resources in the state that can offer the support and hope that you need. Thanks for all the work that you do.